Hello everyone. So today we are going to understand about artificial intelligence and its application in defense. So by artificial intelligence itself, it suggests that it is providing intelligence to machines so that they can think like human brains, mimic their actions and solve the problems efficiently. The artificial intelligence can be classified into many sub branches where the artificial intelligence itself is the parent branch and the further child branches are machine learning, predictive analysis, deep learning, robotics, language processing, speech processing, and much more. Depending as per our requirements, it can be further classified and it can be used as per our needs to satisfy our conditions and to get our work done. When we talk about the advantages of artificial intelligence, we can see that the error probability gets reduced considerably. There is no break for a machine, it will go on and increase the work efficiency as far as the completion of the work in the stipulated amount of time. There is a possibility that it will get us digital assistance and also difficult situations and problem solvings can be solved efficiently with less amount of labor. But as every coin has two sides, it does have some negative implications as well. So negative implications are because of high technology, it leads to high cost, it leads to unemployment and it lacks creativity among the youth. Also, can be a possibility that the cybercrime rate can be increased and people started taking undue advantage of such technologies and taking undue advantage of poor countries who are lacking in such niche technologies. When we talk about defense of our country, and we recently heard the news of Admiral Karambir Singh sir at the passing out parade of NDA, wherein he clearly mentioned that after land, sea, air, space, the cyber will be the fifth arena of the warfare. The cyber is the application of artificial intelligence. As we can see that artificial intelligence can be used for flying across the obstacles, for para-dropping, training, in combat role, mining, demining ammunition, and also in network and communication. As we know that the next generation warfare would be a non-kinetic, network-centric and a cyber-based warfare to play in a greater domain. When we talk about the latest news, we heard recently that Israel fought the first artificial intelligence war against Hamas. It says that it has tracked the tunnels in the Hamas region at the Gaza airstrip using artificial intelligence and predictive algorithms to particularly target the particular places. And India, on the other hand, the army has demanded to this such type of artificial intelligence based technology in the main battle tank of Arjun so that we can pinpoint at precision targets and destroy the enemy at a longer run. After all, as far as this technology is concerned, we need to have a proactive approach and start working from today itself so that we are able to meet all the requirements of tomorrow and get the products in the right and stipulated amount of time. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Hit the notification bell of Train for SSB. All the references of the images and the content is kept in the comment and description section below. Thank you. Jai Hind.